So we're very excited about the Fluke Network's CertiFiber Max because it is so similar to our existing CertiFiber Pro and DSX 8000 and OptiFiber Pro, the modules that you've been using with your Versiv 2 for years and years. Now we can do multi-fiber connections. Now it's not just a module, it's the whole kit and caboodle. We also want to work with LinkWare PC, and we really want to work with LinkWare Live, where we're going to have large numbers of test results and large numbers of testers on a job site. So I'm going to push the sync button, and we're going to connect to LinkWare Live, and we're going to say, I want to send today's project up to LinkWare Live. So new project, go to LinkWare Live. And I don't remember, I think we ran 20 or 30 tests. It's going through the guest network. It'll take a moment, but it'll get up there. There we go. We have sent the test results to LinkWare Live. Beautiful. And I don't know if they're going to show up here in LinkWare Live. It does take a minute. We'll try refreshing this and see if we can get those test results. Hey, look at that. 9/16/25, 9/16/25. We can drill into that and we can see our test results in LinkWare Live. As I mentioned, you really want to save your test reference cord verification. I want to see that. I want to make sure you ran the test the right way. And we can drill into the test results here, just like you've always been doing, and we can see how the results came out. Now, the other thing that you're going to want to do is set up the test remotely. So let's go to a new test setup, and when we set up the test, we're going to have to tell it copper fiber. Let's do fiber. And I'm going to choose single mode because it's going to be single mode. And let's call this a test of CertiFiber Max. Use whatever name you want. Now I'm going to enable multi-fiber. And when I enable multi-fiber, my test limit, just the same as it always is. I can either use for example, a TIA, a length-based limit, or perhaps I will create a custom test limit depending on what my customer has in their specification. Let's use a TIA limit, and with our TIA limit, we would have to specify the number of connections that we have, the number of splices. Let's change that from 2, let's go to 4 connections. One other thing that we would like you to do is to tell us what type of connector you have on the end of the cable. Is it an MPO connector or is it an MMC connector? Is it 24 fiber or is it 8 or is it 12 or is it 16? I've seen a lot of people using 8 fiber where it's the 8 fibers on the 2 edges. And then of course we want to know whether it's pinned or unpinned. This is going to have an impact in the inventory list of cables that we give you. So there is our test being set up in LinkWare Live. We'll tap Save, and there we go, ready to be synchronized. One other thing that I would probably do would be to go into cable IDs and test results, and I would say add cable IDs, and I'm probably going to grab my cable IDs from some type of Excel file that I have, and we could import the cable IDs here to LinkWare Live. After we have the test set up in LinkWare Live, we just hit sync on the tester and we pull that configuration into the tester. So there it is, the new CertiFiber Max multi-fiber tester working both with LinkWare PC and with LinkWare Live. Thanks for watching.